Another area that we're quite capable with a lot of experience in funding equipment is photography. Photography is an area where there is very intense in equipment. It's got to be the latest, it's got to be the best, it's got to be able to operate and do what it says it's going to do. Photographers update their equipment by lenses. So quite often we will just finance a lens for a photographer. These lenses are purchased second hand sometimes. Sometimes it'll buy it off another photographer. We're still able to finance it. In photography, we've done drones, tripods, camera lenses, cameras. We've actually had them being purchased overseas and we've funded them here. High-end, digital, they're 50 to 100,000, up to $200,000 each. The drones would be up to $40,000 each. These are licensed pieces of licensed aerial photography. So they can't fly them. They're licensed to fly them over the city.